Hello students and aspirants, in this video we are going to see rule number 4. Rule number 4 is about conditional sentences. Now we are going to see the conditional sentences. First, simple sentence. Based on simple sentence. In the question, they give if and near V1 verb. Then we use will, shall, can, may and followed by V1 verb. Whenever they will give if near V1 verb to check followed by this format in your sentence. If V1 followed by will or shall or can or may followed by V1 verb present tense. Okay, and modal verbs always followed by V1, that is future tense. This is for your extra note. Now we see example. If I do it, I will clear the exam. Do is V1 verb. If plus V1. The followed sentence is modal verb plus V1. Can you able to understand? Next we are going to see about simple past tense based on sentence. If followed by V2 verb. When you seeing if followed by V2 verb in a sentence, then to check would, could, should followed by V1 verb. Let's see the example. If I did it, I would clear the exam. Did is V2 verb, would is modal verb and followed by V1 verb. This is past form. Whenever you see if followed by past tense, then you should change the sentence into this form. If the sentence is already in the correct form, then you do not change anything in that. If otherwise there is some changes in the sentence, to change the sentence into this correct format. If followed by V2, then a sentence second part is would, could, should followed by V1 verb. Next we are going to see the past perfect tense. It's very important. Past perfect tense. If followed by add plus V3, then the second part sentence will be would, could, should, might plus have plus V3. Add plus V3 is a perfect tense. If followed by perfect tense format add plus V3, then the second sentence will be in would, could, should, might plus have plus V3. Look at this example. If I had done it, I would have cleared the exam. Had done. Perfect tense. Had done. Perfect tense. Would have cleared. Would is modal verb. Have verbs. Cleared V3. And here as, have, add followed by V3. That is perfect tense. The perfect tense format always will be have, as, had plus V3. Understand? In a given sentence, first form is had plus V3, then the followed sentence will be would, could, should, might plus have plus V3. Would, could, should, might plus have plus V3. Would have plus V3, could have plus V3, should have plus V3, might have plus V3. Understand? Okay. In the next video, we will see the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.